गुणान्वितं सजीवम्
सह गण रघुनाथ वितं तं सजीवम्
साद्वैतं सावधूतं
साद्वैतं सवादूतं
परिजनसहितं
परिजन सहितं
कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं
कृष्ण चैतन्य देवम
श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सह
श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान सह
गणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च
कनललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश
हे कृष्णकरुणा सिन्धु
हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु
दीनबन्धो जगत्पते
दीन बंधु जगतपते
गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते
गोपीश गोपिया कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते
सप्तकाञ्चन गौरांगी श्रीराधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी
सप्त कांच गौरांगी श्री राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी
वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये
वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये
वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च
वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च च
पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः
पतितनां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णव्यो नमो नमः
नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले
ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णतलाय भूतले
श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन्निति नामिने
श्री श्रीविदंती भक्ति
वेदान्त स्वामी
वेदांत स्वामी
इति नामिने
इति नामने।
नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी
नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी
गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी
गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी
विशेष शून्यवादी
विशेषणवादी
पाश्चात्य देश तारिणी
पश्चाते सदारणी
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्ति वृंदा।
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
Let us chant all together. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
कृष्ण
Hare Hare,
कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे
हरे
कृष्ण
Hare
कृष्ण
Rama,
हरे
Rama
हरे
Rama,
राम
Hare
राम
राम
Hare,
राम
हरे
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 Hare Krishna,
हरे
Krishna Krishna,
हरे
कृष्ण
Hare
कृष्ण हरे हरे हरे
Hare
राम
Rama,
हरे
Rama
राम राम
Rama,
राम हरे
Hare
हरे।
Krishna Mataji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mataji. I think I did something. Slides of 8, 9, 10 are not visible now. Hare Krishna. Chapter 8, 9, 10 are not there. Why it's not sharing? Hare Krishna. What happened? Are you able to see the screen?
यस
Yes,
माता जी भाई।
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. It's not moving. And many things I think I lost today, just now. Okay. Hare Krishna. So we are Jnana Vijnana Yoga, right? Yesterday I said what is Jnana, what is Vijnana. Can anyone of you tell me? Jnana Vijnana Yoga.
Mataji, Jnana is bookish knowledge and Vijnana is the
Practical.
practical.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
So Jnana is wisdom. And it's Jnana is like information. It's like information. It's not, but it's a knowledge only. But Vijnana is putting them into our life. It is wisdom. Okay. Let me check this also, how many of you remember? Hare Krishna. Oh, it's not moving only. Yes. You tell me. Who is that? Shravanam Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atma Nivedanam. Isn't it? So, who all are prominent Maharaj or sadhus who were known for different limbs? Anna? Okay. Who is for Shravanam? Who kept on hearing? Parikshit Maharaj, right? He heard Bhagavatam for 7 days and he was
Mataji,
liberated.
can the Prahlad Maharaj be the one, Mataji?
Prahlad Maharaj
Because he
is
also
actually for
heard.
Vishnu Smaranam, Mataji, because Prahlad
Okay.
Maharaj kept on remembering Vishnu more than hearing. Of course, he also heard Bhagavatam when he was in Kayadu's womb. Narada Muni told, because when his mother Kayadu was carrying him, the Asura, even the Devatas, Indra, all other Devatas, they thought from Kayadu's womb another Asura will come, like Rakshasa, Hiranyakashipu. So they wanted to kill the baby in the womb only. So that time Narada Muni comes. Generally, Narada Muni comes wherever it is needed. He knows and he's a Trigaladarshi, right? So he comes and saves them. So like that, when he saved, he told the Devatas, don't worry, this is, a Bhakta devotee is going to be born. So I will take care. And he took Kayadu, his hermitage, and he told Bhagavatam. Of course, he heard. When he was in his mother's womb, he heard, we can say. But a prominent example, only by hearing, 7 days, no eating, no sleeping, no drinking water, nothing. 7 days he knew, after 7 days, the Takshaka will come and bite him and the soul will leave. So he want to utilize these 7 days. So these 7 days with so much of inquisitiveness, what is that? Nirmatsaranam sata. Dharma projita kaitavotra paramo nirmatsaranam satam. Nirmatsaranam satam. What is that? Very, very inquisitive and learning without any other thought in mind. That is why we say Parikshit Maharaj. And in whole 7 days, he finished Bhagavatam, hearing from Shukadeva Goswami, number one. Number two, Shukadeva Goswami used to, stop in between. Like, he will not tell everything in detail to know how much he is inquisitive and alert and eager and hearing, focused hearing. And immediately Parishit Maharaj used to, Shukadeva Goswami, can you tell me this also? Like, so many examples are there. If I get into, then we will miss the track. So he is known for. Parikshit Maharaj is, more than Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad Maharaj is always Maranam. Why do we say his father wanted to kill him under various circumstances? He threw him, rolled down from a hill, mountain, Prahlad Maharaj. But Prahlad Maharaj was not, aware of the present situation. He was remembering the Vishnu. So he used to say, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. This is a mantra given to Prahlad Maharaj by Narada Muni. So he used to tell that always. So he is the example for Smaranam. Okay. So Shravanam, in fact, we can tell Shukadeva Goswami also, because when Shukadeva Goswami was in his own mother's womb, he heard Bhagavatam from Vyasadeva, his father. Even after coming out also, he heard Bhagavatam from Vyasadeva. So inside and outside, we can tell his name also. But prominently, who are examples we are seeing. Anna Mataji, understood? Ananya Mataji, did I answer your question?
Yes, Mataji. Thank you,
Okay.
Mataji.
Haribol. So, Shravanam is Parikshit Maharaj. Who was telling him, who was doing the Kirtanam at that time? Shukadeva Goswami. 7 days he also, without any break. Seeing the inquisitiveness of the disciple, he was also 7 days without any water, sleeping, etc. No rest, nothing. He immediately, in between, used to tell Parikshit Maharaj, if you want, you can drink water. If you want, you can sleep for some time. If you want, you can take some rest. Parikshit Maharaj said, no, I don't want to waste a single moment, because I know Ayurgarati Vaipum Sanu Dyanastam na cha Yanasau. Ayurgarati Vaipum Sam Udyan Astam. When the sun comes and when sun sets, one day is coming down for me. My Ayu is coming down. So Shukadeva Goswami, this all Lord's arrangement. Providence, we call it as. You have come with Lord's arrangement at the right time to tell Bhagavatam to me. So I don't want to lose this opportunity. Okay. So Shavanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, we have finished. Pada Sevanam,
Lakshmi Devi.
Hari Bol. Yes. Then Pada Sevanam, Archanam.
Rutu Maharaj.
Hari Bol. Correct. And Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Vandanam.
Akrura.
Did anyone say?
Akrura.
Akrura. Akrura, though he was with Kansa, he was a minister in Kansa's kingdom, no. But still, he was all the time worshipping or paying obeisances to Krishna. And many a time. So, example I told when he came to take Krishna to Mathura. So it happened. Dasyam,
Hanuman.
Sakyam,
Arjuna, the great warrior.
Arjuna the great
Uh,
warrior, because the main two qualities what Arjuna had, Krishna is going on telling again and again. What are they?
He was non-envious and he is a friend to Krishna.
One is Krishna's friend, another one is non-envious. So Krishna tells in three places, Arjuna, you are non-envious. That is why I am telling you this secret knowledge. Then again in the 7th chapter, Arjuna, 7th and 9th, 7, 8, 9. Arjuna, you are non-envious. That is why I am giving you more confidential knowledge. Then finally he says at the end, Arjuna, you are more non-envious. That's why I am giving you the most confidential knowledge. In Sanskrit we say Guhyatara, Guhyam, Guhyatara, Guhyatama. Guhya secret.
At the
Guhyatara
end,
more
he will
secret.
say, and
Guhyatama most secret. Can anyone tell me what is more secret knowledge? Which Arjuna got?
Knowing the ultimate truth of soul and Atma and Paramatma.
Yes, very good. Haribol. Correct, Prabhuji. So about the knowledge of the self. First knowledge, secret knowledge is that. Then now from today to 9th chapter, we will see the more confidential knowledge what Krishna is giving him. Hare Krishna. Yes, very nice. Okay. So Ananya Mataji, can we start? 7.2. Yesterday we saw the first verse. First verse is the word touch runu. Touch with full focus right now. You shrunu, hear to me, listen to me. I am going to give you lot of information about me. Why? 6th chapter ending he said, devotion, loving devotional service. So you have to do loving devotional service to me, and devotee does. So to develop that love, I am going to tell about. So all this 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, Krishna will tell about himself. How opulent he is, how great he is. One more definition I will tell for Jnana and Vijnana. Please remember. Jnana is greatness. Jnana is greatness. Greatness means what? Krishna will tell now. Bhumi Rapo Nalo Vayu. I am the Bhumi, I am the Apo, I am the Anal, I am the Vayu. Everything he will say. In 10th chapter also he is going on till Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo. Everything comes from me. I'm the source of everything. Mattaka sarvam pravartate. Everything is coming from me. Like that, he is going on telling. 9th chapter, he will say, Maya dakshena prakriti suyate sacharacharam. This entire universe is acting on my instruction, my, what do you call that? My, we say no, एक नजर दिखाता हूं तो माया देवी मेरी सुनती है. That Maya Dakshina under my order. Okay, so he is going on telling my. So he is talking about his opulence. So that is jnana. What is vijnana? So knowledge is greatness is jnana. Vijnana is sweetness. Sweetness. Where is that sweetness? We saw 2 days before where all Krishna served. How did he serve? You all gave me example of Vrindavan. Vraja Leela, Govardhan Giri Leela, all those things. Of course, Govardhan Leela, he showed his power by lifting the Govardhan hill with the little finger. But what is the sweetness, Now listen very carefully. It's a very secret thing once again. Acharyas have written. See, this Gopas used to go in the morning for grazing the cows with Krishna. So when he leaves home, these gopis used to curse Gopas. Very bad. These people come early in the morning and take Krishna. Now we can't see Krishna till the evening. They, Viraga. That is what, Viraga Tapa. They all miss Krishna like anything in the absence of Krishna. They tell also, Krishna, we enjoy your company more when you are not in front of us. When you are in front of us, that in the absence, what we feel, that Leela, Rasa, is not there for us, they say. That is true. So this gopis, they used to feel, oh, Krishna is leaving now. And when the sun sets, when Krishna comes back, gopas used to feel, what is this? Why the sun is so prompt and coming and setting? We have to go home back, and Krishna will leave us now. He will go, and these gopis are going to enjoy in the night with him, like that. So they both were cursing each other. So Krishna thought, 7 days. Let them all stay with me day and night. That is the most secret behind. Of course, external reasons are, to perish Indra's pride, etc. To highlight the importance of Bhagavan worship than the Devata worship. So many external reasons are there. But the internal reason is to give pleasure, potency. Even the cows used to, even the, see, Brahma Vimogan Leela, Krishna came as a cow, calf. The cows used to feel, when will Krishna drink my milk? So in Brahma Vimogan Leela, Krishna became calves. And the cows could feel that, there is something today, like that 1 year it passed. It's like for Brahma, it is 1 day, no. So for us, 1 year passed, and all the mothers also used to feel, my child has grown so old, but still I feel like feeding my child. Why? Like that and all. So Lord's pastimes are to give pleasure potency to his devotees, not the main reason of paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya chatushkritam. He will sit here, there in his dhamma, swarat. He is swarat, independent. Damnam svena sada nirasta kohakam. He is placed in his dham. From there, he could have got all this done. Killing of Kansa, Hiranyakashipu, etc. Hiranyakashipu, he came because Prahlad told, my Lord is there in this pillar. To make his devotees' word true, he came. Is it not? So that is why. Okay. Anyway, so that is sweetness. See, Krishna, we used to carry on his head Nanda Baba's padukas. Nanda Baba used to ask, Nakana, I'm leaving, bring my paduka. He just a small boy used to run and take it on his head and run and give it to. Nanda Baba used to relish that. My child is just learning to walk and he is getting my paduka, carrying on his head and coming, running and giving it to me. He hugs him like that. So this is that sweetness. Jnana is the knowledge which the Lord tells that I told you, remember? The relation. That is a sambandha jnana. That is jnana. And this sweetness of his pastimes, that is actually vijnana. Okay. So jnana is to know about, jnana is the knowledge. Like the body and the soul. Body is matter made up of 24 elements. Soul is spiritual. It is transcendental. What is the relation between the soul and the body is jnana. What is the relation between the soul and the super soul? Paramatma is vijnana. So many definitions we have seen for jnana vijnana. So Krishna is going to tell about the sweetness now in the 7th chapter. How sweet he is and how sweetly he is helping. I mean, because he is there, we are able to enjoy everything, right? Yes, Ananya Mataji. Jnanam tegam savi. So everybody repeat the verse. Jnanam tegam savijnanam.
Jnanam
Jnanam
teham
teham
savijnanam
savijnanam
Idam vakshyama sheshataha.
idam
idam
vakshami
vakshashama
sheshataha
asheshtaha
Yajnatvaneka bhuyonyaj.
yajnatvanyeha
jnanat
bhuyojva anyad
Jnatavyam avashishyate.
ज्ञात्वत्वम्
jnatottam
अवशिष्यते
avisheshyate.
Haribol. Yes, Mataji. Ananya Mataji, read.
I
Go.
shall now declare unto you in full this knowledge, both phenomenal and numinous, by knowing which there shall remain nothing further to be known. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. She said the most secret knowledge. He's telling, listen to me carefully. In the first verse, he said, I'm going to tell you something. If you listen to that very carefully, that is the most highest top class thing, knowledge. Beyond that, there's nothing to learn. So, Arjuna, lend your ears. This is what Krishna is saying. Like, so our Shravanam is extremely important. Shravanam, especially in Bhakti, wherever it is, Shravanam is important. That's why God, Krishna gave, 2 ears and 1 mouth. Speak less, hear more. 2 eyes, because eyes and what is that, ears are knowledge acquiring senses. But anyway, taste. Tongue also knowledge acquiring senses, but especially the external knowledge which we absorb is through our eyes and through our ears. That is why. Okay, so Vijnanam and Jnanam, you see here now you are able to see the slides. Knowledge of absolute. Yes, Lord Krishna explains full knowledge. That is, what are the knowledge? 2 types of knowledge, phenomenal and numinous. Phenomenal is jnana, numinous is vijnana. So he is going to tell what is jnana and what is vijnana. Phenomenal is knowledge acquired, perceived by the senses. What we see and what we understand is the knowledge. But the same thing, if we seeing object as it is appearing, without Krishna is knowledge, sorry, jnana. Whatever we see, in that if we do not see Krishna, I am seeing a big mountain. I see that it's a mountain made up of rocks and things like that. This is jnana. I see, oh Krishna, how beautiful your creation is. See, like how, it is the range you see Krishna, how beautifully you have made, and what are the uses of this mountain range? That gives us the monsoon. It's all your arrangement, my dear Krishna. That is Vijnana. Got it? So, okay. So, numinous is knowledge about spirit, not acquired through senses. Object, it is not acquired to senses and sense objects. As it is not necessarily perceived by the senses, then it is perceived by the soul. The soul thinks, because soul is already in full knowledge of Krishna. Why? What is that? Mamaivamsho Jiva Loke. We all are part and parcel of Krishna only. So, if any fruit from mango tree you take, all will have the same qualities. So, we all are part and parcel of Krishna. We all will have the same opulences. But we differ in dash. What is it? We have the same quality, but we differ in. Okay, I'll give you the example. Ocean water or gold from gold mine. In quantity. This is the, we saw, like 4, what do you call that? Parampara. Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, Srila Lakshmi Paramparaya, Brahmarudra Sampradaya Paramparaya, Kumara Sampradaya. Like that we saw, in that the last one is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Veda Abeda. Veda Abeda Chintya. Okay, that means what? It is not conceivable to our knowledge. Inconceivable. Achintya Chintya Bheda Beda. Achintya inconceivable. Chintya conceivable. Beda Abeda. There is difference also, there is Abeda. There is no difference also. So Lord and we are one. There's no difference, but if oneness is not there, we are different. How? You see the big ocean, salt water. You take little bit of 1 ounce water for testing. You take that water and test. All the qualities will be the same as if of the endless ocean water and the 1 ounce water. The characteristics of that water will be the same. But the quantity of each component will be different. In 1 ounce, it will be different, and in the endless ocean, it will be different. Same way, gold mine. You take the gold in any one small particle, jewelry, what we have made. It will have the same characteristics, gold characteristics, but it will differ in some manner or the other. Because when we make it, the people, goldsmith, in order to make it very thin so that they can hit and give shape and all, so they mix certain things. Okay, but otherwise, the gold bar you take and the gold mine gold you take, it remains the same. Is it not? So that is known as Chintya, Achintya, Bheda, Abheda. Okay, that's what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us. That is why from the Advaita we came to Dvaita. Earlier it was I Advaita, right? There are not two, only one. Then we came to two. No, 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 no. Soul is different, Paramatma is different, Bhagavan is different. So we came to this philosophy. That is Vijnana. Hare Krishna. Okay. So complete knowledge, this we saw in the verse only. Krishna told, "Oh, Arjuna, once again listen to me very carefully, because knowing this knowledge, nothing will be left for you to be known." And Jnana also, Vijnana also, both under Krishna's control, because he is the Sarvaloka Maheshwaram. Bhoktaram, enjoyer. Sarvaloka Maheshwaram, controller. He is the controller of both. Okay, so now Krishna is explaining to Arjuna the qualities of two different people. That is Arjuna as a two different guy. Arjuna told in Karpanya Tosho, you remember, Shishyaste Agam, Shadimam Tvam Prapanam. Oh Krishna, I am your Shishya. I am your devotee. Like that he said. And also as a friend. Because just now we saw Saka. We saw now that Navavida Bhakti, Sakyam, Arjuna. So he's saying, see, why I am telling you this? There are so many people standing in front of me in that Kurukshetra war. Why I am selecting you? There are so many other reasons also. In one place he says Arjuna is Anaga. Anaga means sinless. Arjuna is sinless. And in one more place, Arjuna, he says non-envious. Okay, these are the main qualities Arjuna has, which Krishna relishes. This is the reason Krishna gives Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. So remember, devotee, friend, non-envious, and one more thing. What did I say? Devotee, non-envious, and sinless.
Friend.
Anaga, sinless.
Sinless.
Fourth one. Okay, Hare Krishna. He has not done any sin. Then. Okay, knowledge is what? All knowledge, jnana and vijnana. See, cause of all causes. I will say it is jnana, because he say, I am the source for Srishi Sthiti Pralaya. I am the source. Everything comes from me, isn't it? But only object of meditation for all yoga process. So anyone who is, whether yogi, ashtanga yogi, or devotee, whoever it is, they have to concentrate on me. Here, yoga process means for us it is chanting. When we chant the holy name of the absolute truth, the personality of Godhead, we have to be full in the meditative mood. We have to tell our mind, oh mind, be in my control now. Don't roam around here and there. Okay, full 7th chapter, all verses are very, very important. Yes, Asha Mataji, you can recite the verse, everybody will repeat. Hare Krishna.
Okay, Manushyanam Sahasreshu
Manushyanam
Manusyanam
Sahasreshu
Sahasresu
Kaschit Yatati Sittaye
Kashchit Yatati
Kashchit Yatati
Siddhaye
Siddhaye
Yatataamapi Siddhanam
Yatatam Api
Yatatam Api
Siddhanam
Siddhanam
Kaschin Mam Veti Tattvataha
Kashchid Mam Veti
Chinmam Viti
Tattvataha
Tataha
Manushyanam Sahasreshu Kaschit Yatati
Manushanam
Sittaye
Shastri.
Yatataamapi Siddhanam Kaschin Mam Veti Tattvataha. Out of many thousands among men, one may endeavor for perfection, and of those who have achieved perfection, hardly one knows me in truth. Hare
Hari
Krishna.
bol. Thank you, Mataji. See, that means what? Thousands of people, 1/1000, multiply 1/1000. That's what is given in the translation, right? Out of 1000 people, one may try to know me well, perfectly. They will try. Out of those 1000, one will actually know me. So it is like 1/1000 multiply 1/1000. That means 10 to the power 6. So out of 10 to the power 6 people, one may hardly know me. And that is true also, right? How many people are there? We try to give them knowledge. They are not in the receptive mood because of that, false ego. That whoever has got the yesterday only I told, they will not listen from anybody. For them, they have to be only speaking. They don't want to listen to others. They don't feel submissive to others. They think what this person is going to tell, I know already. This person is going to talk about the Bhagavad Gita. I have read Bhagavad Gita already so many times. But it is like learning from Acharyas. Is it like learning Prabhupada's book as it is? Or is it the process of learning which we learn from our Diksha Guru, Shiksha Gurus? Like that, is it like that? You all will know. Anybody in this Kali Yuga, people learn and chant and teach even Bhagavad Gita for only Lakshmi. We should be very, very careful. We should not approach those people. Approaching those people is a biggest sin. Okay, we should not do that. So we should understand who has come in Parampara. And we can check. There is no problem. Once, one person was telling Prabhupada, he is God himself. And Prabhupada kept trying, to make him understand, no, it can't be. That person was not at all. I mean, he was not giving a listening ears at all. He was not paying attention at all. Okay, then what did Prabhupada did? He told, okay, you are God. Now we are offering Bhoga to you. He offered Bhoga. Eat. He was not able to eat. Prabhupada kept on feeding. You must eat this. You are God. How can you say you can't eat? Govardhan, Govardhan used to say, means what? Our love. I mean, full nearby villages, everybody brought. And Govardhan was not at all satisfied. You know when he was satisfied? Hare Krishna. Govardhan kept on eating. For all the nearby villages, all ration, everything was over. Okay, that is, he told Govardhan himself, he said, somebody, Govardhan gave a hint. Somebody said, bring Tulasi. So they brought one Tulasi leaf. They offered one Tulasi leaf. Then Govardhan took a big baba. Oh. He didn't say, out, chahiye. He was satisfied. That is the beauty of Tulasi. It has
Mataji, same like this is from Ramayana, Hanuman.
Yeah, exactly. I was about to say. Yes, Prabhu, tell.
To Sita Mataji. She was keep cooking. He was keep eating, Mataji. Everything is over. Her entire ration was over. Still, he was wanting more. Right?
Correct. Similarly, that Krishna wanted to Tulabaram in Dwaraka.
Yes.
They wanted to take Tulabaram for
Yes.
Krishna.
Satyabhama.
And how much they kept on increasing the weight, Krishna was more. Then the moment they kept one Tulasi leaf. Right? This is that. Mahima, Tulasi is because she is Vrindavaneshwari. Vrindavan, why Krishna has given the name? Why he didn't give Radheshwari? Or Radha, Vrindavan, Radhavan. Why didn't he give Radhavan? Because Tulasi is the dearmost devotee of Krishna. Dearmost after Radharani. And that is why, in Vrindavan you see, especially ISKCON, so many Tulasi gardens are there. Because they don't get Tulasi from outside. For Tulasi, their worship in the temple, they take Tulasi from Mayapur only. See, there will be different slots. So they will keep on emptying those slots. Again, it will come. And Tulasi coming in anybody's home. If it is coming with the, the life in Tulasi, that means they all are very, very auspicious. And now Damodar month will come, no? Damodar month, remember, you more Tulasi, you grow. Take the seed, put it in different pots. Tulasi will come. Offer this Tulasi plants to as many people as possible. So auspicious it is. Extremely auspicious. Okay, and Tulsi will give Krishna Prema. She is the one, Vrindaye Tulsi Devi, Priyaye, Kesavachesa, Vishnu Bhakti Prade Devi, Satyavati Namo Namaha. We tell Vrinda Devi, please give me Vishnu Bhakti Prade Devi. Satyavati Namo Namaha. We ask her in the Tulsi Puja, give me a chance to live in Vrindavan. Right? So that is Tulsi. Tulsi has got, what do you say, very, very dear devotee to Krishna. Okay, so that's why on Ekadachi day we should not pluck Tulsi, because Tulsi also keeps fast. We can't. Next day, we have to keep one day before. For Dwadasi we can, but after we do Tulsi Puja, after we offer, like we do no flower arati, after that we can pluck, not before that. Okay, Hare Krishna. Yes, Hari Hari Bol. Who is reading now next? Loknath Prabhu. Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Knowledge of the absolute
1
text.
minute, Prabhu, it went again. What is happening today? I don't know. Even the volume is very, very low. Again, it is not coming. Hare Krishna. Now you check.
Knowledge of the absolute text.
No, it's not coming, Prabhu, not getting shared. Hare Krishna.
Knowledge of the absolute text. 3. Really man achieves perfection out of perfected souls. Really some understands Krishna.
It's, Manushyanam Sahasreshu. Sahasra means 1,000, all of you know. Manushyanam Sahasreshu Kashchit etati siddhaye. Probably 1 in 1,000 try to understand. Like that. Yes, Prabhu, continue.
Different grades of man, generally interested in animal propensities, eating, sleeping, mating, defending. Very few transcendental knowledge, soul, super soul, body, absolute truth. Chapter 1 to 6, understanding self, super soul, and process of realization. Difference between soul and matter. Jnana Yoga Brahman, Dhyana Yoga Paramatma.
I said, you remember, Jnana is knowing the body and the soul. Vijnana is knowing the soul and the super soul. Yes, Prabhu.
Krishna, absolute truth, cause of all causes, supreme personality of Godhead, all 6 opulences in full, can only be known by a process of KC engaged in devotional service.
Yes.
Process of bhakti is not easy to practice as
Proclaimed by
by
people, as proclaimed by anybody,
supreme.
proclaimed by people. See, Krishna is telling again the jnana and the cause of all causes and the root cause for everything. Srishti Sthiti Pralaya, I said, right? And he has all 6 opulences. Ananya Mataji told that day very nicely. Yes, Mataji, 6 opulences.
Mataji, he should be beautiful.
No, all
He should
beauty.
have
All beauty.
all beauty. All beauty, Shriji, Shrey, or
Correct.
famous, the strong one. Oh, I didn't remember the order.
Knowledge and renunciation. Very correct. Beauty, fame, strength and wealth, knowledge and renunciation. Hare Krishna. Yes, yes, Prabhu, continue.
Process of devotional service, Vedic literature, Upanishads, Puranas, Narad
Pancharatra.
Pancharatra.
Narad Pancharatra is devotion. Upanishads give us the knowledge about Brahman. Okay? Vedas also we know very, very well. No, Vedas only gives us the, what do you call it? It is not Ananya Bhakti. Vedas do not teach us Ananya Bhakti. Ananya Bhakti only Bhagavatam teaches. Okay? So Vedas and Upanishads give us the knowledge. Puranas also part of Upanishad. Part and, sorry, what is that? Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, all. But Narada Pancharatrika Vidhi tells us how to do devotional service. Devotional service means what? Anya Bilashita Shunyam. Akaituki Apratihata. Sarvopadi Vinirmuktam. Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam. These all are Uttama Bhakti. Okay? So Uttama Bhakti is no other desire other than Krishna. That is Narada Pancharatra. Hare Krishna. So simply disturbance to the society. What? Vedas tell do this, do that. People start doing fire sacrifice. They kill animals. They don't take care of the mercy factor. These all. It doesn't mean that we should not follow Vedas. Vedas we should follow, but the ultimate aim of Veda is Sam Siddhir Haritoshanam. Vedas only tell this. But we people, we say no. Arakore we say in Tamil. That means half knowledge. Half knowledge is worst. Not knowing ignorance is okay. But half knowledge is the worst. So we have learnt half of the Vedas and we neither follow this side or that side. We are not experts in this. So half we hear and half we don't know and we are ruining everything. But Bhakti is not like that. Bhakti is given by Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. BRS you saw? BRS. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Chapter number 1, what is it? Canto number 1, 2. There are 2 parts in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. So part 1, second chapter 101. Anya Vilashita Shunyam 111. 111 also. That also says Ahaituki and Apratigata. Bhakti should be unmotivated and uninterrupted. Remember that, okay? What is that? Savai pumsam parodharmo yato bhaktir adokshage. No, not that. Correct. Yeah, bhaktir adokshage ahaituki apratihata. Yadatma suprasidati. Okay. So ahaituki bhakti. That means not expecting anything in return. Apratihata, uninterrupted bhakti. Hare Krishna. Okay, who is next? Yes. 7.4. Who is Ritvika Mataji is there today? No. Vamshidhar Prabhu. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Vamshidhar Prabhu, are you there? No. Okay. Loknath Prabhu, you only...
I'm here,
Okay,
Mataji.
okay. Yes.
Chanting in mute, Mataji. Sorry.
It's okay, okay. Tell Prabhu.
Bhumir apo nalo vayu kham mano buddhir evacha ahankara itiyam me bhinan prakirtir
Ashtada.
ashtadha.
Yeah, once again, all of you recite. Bhumirapo nalavayuho.
Bhumir apo
Bhumir
nalo
apo nalo
vayu
vayu.
Kammano buddhirevacha.
khammano
Mano buddhir
buddhirevacha
evacha.
Ahankara iti yamme.
ahankara
Ahankara
itiyam
iti
me
yamme.
Bhinna prakritirashtada.
Bhinna
Bhinna prakritir ashtadaha.
See, easily you can understand the meaning. You see, Bhinna prakritirashtada. Ashtada means 8. These 8 energies are not different from me. These energies are the material nature. What are they? Earth. Earth, water, fire. And earth, water, fire, air. Right? 5. Kam. Kam means what? Shabda. Kam means that Om, from Akash sound comes, no? Kam. Mano, mind. Buddhi, intelligence. Ahankara. Ahankaram is the false ego. So Bhumi, Apo, Anal, Vayu, Kam. Okay? That is space. 5. Man, Buddhi, Ahankar. These 8 energies are not different from me. They are the same, not separated material energy. So if we really divide into word by word, Ashada, 8, Bhinna, different, Prakriti, this material energy, Prakriti is material. Abhinna, they are not different from me. Hare Krishna. Yes. Yeah, now you all recite. Apareyamitastvanyam.
Apreyam
Aparem
tastavanyam.
Prakritim
itastavanyam.
vidhi me param.
अप्रयेम
Prakriti
इति
vidhi me
तन्यां
param.
प्रकृतिं विधि मे परां
Jivabhuta mahabaho.
जीवभूतां
Jivaputam mahabaho.
महाबाहो
Yayedam dharyate jagat.
ययेदं
Etam
धार्यते
dharmite
जगत्.
jagat.
So anybody arguing with you, no, you should, where is Krishna? We can't see and all, you should say, is earth, water, fire, you are not able to see. Okay, fine. Now you see, these material nature, what Krishna has created, he is saying, I have created with the inferior energy of mine. Inferior energy means what? Exterior energy. So Krishna says, these things are my inferior energy, but I have a better superior energy with which Jiva Bhutam. Jiva Bhutam means all living entities. So all living entities are made up of one superior energy. But these people, what do they think? They are exploiting all my energy. We all are we all are exploiting nature, right? We all are that, what is that? Global warming is taking place. Why? We all are forest deforestation. Because there is one phrase. Just remember this phrase, We all want to lord over the nature. Lord over the nature. That is the reason we are here. We wanted to lord over our nature in Krishna's world. That's why Krishna told, oh, you want to lord over the nature? Go down and do it. You have the entire material world for yourself. Go, you're more free. Go down. So, like Prabhupada took the cockroach when somebody asked, he opened the window, he dropped the cockroach from the topmost floor. And he said, now the cockroach is free. So, like that, Bhagavan picked up our soul, gave it to the material nature. He told her, give this yoni to this soul. Let this soul go down and enjoy. And see, and we are thinking this is permanent. After coming here, we forgot Krishna. The baby, when it is in mother's womb, it cries because it can't stay for 9 months in the stool, in the urine, whatever the mother eats, pungent, its eyes burn, and they cry inside the womb, oh Krishna, please bring me out. I will definitely be, surrendered to you. And all it cries. Okay, Krishna sends the baby out. The moment the baby comes out, because of the material nature, three guna. It comes out, it comes a part of the material nature, then the three gunas affect, and it forgets the Lord. Okay, so that is why. That's how beautiful these verses are. Practical, no? Total practical. All created beings have their source from two nature. One is the material nature, which is inferior. One is the spiritual nature, which is superior. Know for certain that I am both the origin and the source also, creation also, destruction also. Both I am doing. So Krishna says, I create and I annihilate. In fact, Srishti Sthiti Pralaya, everything Krishna only is doing. He is the resolution. That is dissolution. But that is, what is it? Annihilation. Okay? Creation and annihilation. Hare Krishna. Yes. Now, whose turn? I forgot only. Hare Krishna. Ananya, now Asha Mataji. Is it Asha Mataji's? Or Ananya Mataji? Okay, I will only explain. This is picture, no? When the verses come, I will tell you. Okay? Now, Krishna has got three energy. One is total exterior, that is the inferior, most inferior energy with which he has created the material nature. Okay, Maya. Now he has a little superior energy that is known as tatastha, marginal. So what is margin? A page is there. We draw this side half, this side something, and we draw. So that means it divides the portion into two. We are tatastha. Imagine the seashore. There's a limit till where the water comes. This side sand, that side water. So there is a border. That is Tatastha. So we all living entities are from Tatastha Shakti, marginal energy. Why? If we utilize our willpower very, very piously, very prudently, very optimally, very judicially, we will we will go to that side of Krishna, that is inside. If we do not use it, we will come to external word. That means we'll keep on coming again and again going. That's why it is margin. Margin means either you can fall on that side or you can fall on this side. So that free will the Lord has given. Wherever you want you go, it is up to you. You want to enjoy the material nature, you are not satiated. Lust is not satiated. Come again and again you want to come. Oh, you do it. Come, keep coming. Okay, so I will allow you. I will not compel and take you. The moment you surrender to me and tell, oh Krishna, I have surrendered, like Arjuna told, Karpanya Tosho. Surrender, Sarvadharman Paritejna Mamekam Sharanam Braja Agam Tvam Sarva Papebhyo Mokshayishami Mahashucha. So many yonis, so many sins, whatever you have done, I will forget everything the moment you surrender to me. Okay, surrender is not that simply as I told the other day, keep only surrender. Okay, anything coming, oh Krishna is there. He will take care. That, nothing to bother. Like that, the Goswamis, they never had anything to eat or to even preach. Their gurus told you preach. They didn't have anything to preach. No books were available. One Bhagavatam copy was there. That was also, tattered into pages. Why? Why? I think Shyamananda Pandit. Shyamananda Pandit. Oh, Narottama Das, Shyamananda Pandit, and one more. Srinivas Acharya, not Shiva. Shiva is about among Panchadattva. They wanted to learn that Raghunath Das Goswami, he wanted to learn. There was only one copy. He told you go and take it from Sanatan Goswami. He went and he saw that book was totally into, pieces like that. One copy they needed also, they had to write everything. That much difficulty was there. But they were not bothered about anything. They preached. They constructed temple for Radha Govinda, Radha Madhav, Radha Damodar, full Vrindavan. All 6 Goswamis have their own temples. Excavated. Krishna Mahaprabhu came in that dream and told, I am under this tree, I am under this tree, 2 different Goswamis. They digged out, excavated, and they established temple. What did they have? No home. They used to, in fact, Rupa Goswami, Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami used to, he was under a tree, and Sanatan Goswami was coming from there. He saw Radha Rani with the ranchal, giving shade to Rupa Goswami. And he got so wild. He came home and he scolded Rupa Goswami like anything. Radha Rani se seva le rahe ho. How can you even do that? Construct a small hut and live in that. Radha Rani is coming to give you shade like that. They didn't have anything. They were not bothered also. Next time, food who will give? Next time, where will I go? They used to have one coping for them, that's it. Okay, yes. Like that we can't, but at least we can have that, there is a proverb in Tamil. Podum endra marunde, podum endra maname pon seyyum marunde. Oh, what I have is sufficient for me. That mind is like a aushadhi. That will cure all disease. But we are not like that. No, dil mange more always. We get one, keep on thinking. It is lust is never satiated. Okay. So, expansion. How the Lord expanded. First comes the Karan ocean. Karan. We have done only 2 verses. Very more. We have to go a little faster. Tomorrow onwards, we will read the verse and go fast. Okay. Karno Dakshay Vishnu. Who is Karnodaksha Vishnu? Castle ocean. He is the, like Krishna first expands into Karnodaksha Vishnu. That he lies down in the Castle ocean. And he just glances the Mahat Tattva. Mahat Tattva is what? Combination of all what we saw just now. No, Bhumi, Apo, Anal, Vayu, everything is there. But the moment the Lord glances, then it gets the life. Till then it was only, that means universes are created. So Karnadakshay Vishnu creates the universes. Garbhodakshay Vishnu enters into every universe. Garbhodakshay Vishnu is the Vishnu who comes from the lotus. Brahma comes from whose navel lotus stem comes, flower blossoms, then Brahma comes. Is it not? That is why he is known as Garbhodakshaya. Garbhodakshai Vishnu. So first Karnodakshai Vishnu is the first expansion. Actually not first, but for this level you can understand that. Chaturvyuha are there, Krishna first expands as Balram. Then Balram expands as, Sankarshana, Niruddha, Pradyumna and Baldeva. Like that they expand. Then the Narayana, second expansion of Chaturvyuha. So I am only telling now Krishna expands into 3 Yugavatar. First is Karnodakshai Vishnu, then Garbhodakshai Vishnu. Then when from Garbhodakshai Vishnu all living entities come, etc., the Kshirodakshai Vishnu enters into every entity in the form of Paramatma. Okay, so these are the 3 are known as Purusha Avatar. Okay, so the Karnodakshai Vishnu creates the entire universes and he creates the, as I told, Mahatattva, he glances. After that, the universes are, within the universes, diversity takes place. That means creation takes place. Then every atom, who enters? Kshirodakshai Vishnu. So who is the super soul? Kshirodakshai Vishnu is the super soul. Do not know, Krishna thinks material world is for enjoyment. Okay, so we all think, living entities think. What do we think? This material world has been created for me only. I can do whatever I want. That is what is known as lording over the nature. So the moment we lord over the nature, we are far away from Krishna. The moment we see Krishna in that jnana, vijnana. Jnana, maybe Lord might have created, that's fine. But we see Krishna in bhumi, Krishna in sun, Krishna in air. Okay, that is, then it is known as Vijnana. Living entities are Purusha. Cause Purusha is what? There's only one Purusha. All other people are only Prakriti, nature. Purusha means that Supreme Personality of Godhead only is Purusha. Okay, this men, women, we say no, it is not that. Purusha is that Supreme Personality of Godhead, absolute truth. That person, personal form. Cause he is the controller, enjoyer, everything we have seen already. He is the cause of all causes because he is a reason for creation. Srishti, Sthiti, Pralaya. Okay, Srishti he does through Brahma. Sthiti he does through Vishnu. Pralaya he does through Shiva, Lord Shiva. But he is the original source of all 3. And this material world is totally temporary. All the activities are directed by these 3 Vishnus. Okay, and then the ingredients of material world are separated energy of the Lord. That is a exterior energy. The Lord doesn't have any role in the sense he only created, but he is not subject to them. He created the 3 gunas. He is not subject to 3 gunas. He is above even Vishuddha Sattva. Right? So what are the gross elements? 5 elements just now we saw. Earth, water, fire, ether and space. Earth, water, fire, ether and air. Okay, fine. Then from this, what are the, see Mahatattva, you all know Mahatattva, these elements are like, imagine, it's like in a big ball form. So when the Lord sees it, only one portion gets the life. From there comes all the material nature. 3/4 of the portion remains in the name of Pradhan. So the unmanifest form of a material energy, Mahatattva, is Pradhan. What is manifested, what creates the 5 gross elements, everything, etc. That is the Mahatattva. So Mahatattva is a portion of that Pradhan. What is Pradhan? The unmanifest portion of the Mahatattva is Pradhan. Manifest, we say material nature. Unmanifest, we say Pradhan. Okay, Hare Krishna. And these are subtle and gross, we know, we have already learned. 5 gross element, 5 Panchamahabhuta, 5 Jnanendriya, 5 Karmendriya, 5 material objects. That is known as Tanmatra, we call it as. That means Shotram, Chakshus, Sparshanam and Rasanam and Granam. These are the objects. These are the nature of, the object which are attracted by different sense organs. Eyes attract Chakshu. That is the ability, vision. This attracts sound. This attracts touch. Like that. So that is 20 plus these 3, 23. What 3? Subtle elements, mind, intelligence, and false ego. So when the soul leaves this body, the soul takes all this 5 and then goes. 5th and 6th verse again we will be able to do tomorrow only. But this all already I have explained, right? Antaranga Shakti, Tatastha, only Antaranga we have not seen. Other things, Bahiranga, external we have seen, Tatastha, we living entities. From the Antaranga Shakti, only the Lord expands. See, Krishna has to come as Rama. From his internal potency, he will come in the form of Rama. In his internal potency only he comes. It is into 3. Some ways, Sandini, Ahladini. Ahladini Shakti is Radharani. Okay, so Antaranga energy is further divided into 3. Okay, so 7.7 we will see tomorrow. This is also a very, very, very important verse. Actually, first 10 verses in the 7th chapter are extremely important. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yes.